Hello everyone, welcome back to LARP Drops, and today we will be repairing a PS5 controller. So first of all that you need for this repair is a PS5 and a screwdriver. You don't need anything else, trust me bro. So first you gotta take the screwdriver in and you're just gonna cut screws, boom 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 boom, and then so as you can now see, we have everything. So we're just gonna come down here and we're just gonna and back in action. And just to finish it off, we're gonna label our logo onto it. LARP Drops right in the middle there. Everyone loves the logo. Everyone loves LARP Drops. So thank you guys for watching my amazing video on how to create and repair a PS5 controller. Now, I'll say we do not subscribe to LF Drops. LARP Drops is clearly superior. There will be more videos on the way. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Cue that outro.